Hey everyone, today I'm making chicken biryani instant pot. So let's see what ingredients we need for that. So on the left I have whole chicken finely chopped into smaller pieces, and I have 1 cup of yogurt, 3 cups of basmati rice soaked in water, and the spices. For the spices I have cloves, whole pepper, cumin seeds, bay leaf, cinnamon stick, and ginger garlic paste. We need around 3 tablespoons of oil, and these are the spices which I'm gonna use for marination. So I have 3 tablespoons of red chili powder, 2 tablespoons of cumin powder, 2 tablespoons of garam masala powder, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, 1 tablespoons of turmeric powder, and salt to taste. We would also need 5 green chilies, handful of methi leaves and coriander leaves, and 1 lemon. The next step is to marinate the chicken with all the spices we have and keep it aside for half an hour. So I put all the spices, including the garam masala spices and the coriander leaves, methi leaves, curd, and oil into the chicken. Now I'm going to marinate the chicken and keep it aside for half an hour. The chicken has been thoroughly marinated. Now put it aside for half an hour, and after that we'll cook this in an instant pot. Once the chicken has completed marination for half an hour, turn on the instant pot and keep the saute mode to low, and wait for 2 minutes for the inner lining to heat up, and then you're gonna drop the chicken into instant pot. So it's 2 minutes. Now we are gonna just drop the chicken into the base of the instant pot. I have dropped in the chicken into instant pot. Now let it saute for 5 minutes on low by closing the lid of the instant pot, and then we are gonna pressure cook the chicken. So I close the lid of the instant pot and set the timer to 5 minutes on low. So the timer has completed, and now we are gonna just pressure cook the chicken for 12 minutes in instant pot. Close the lid of the instant pot, pressure cook mode, and set the timer to 12 minutes. Make sure the vessel is in sealing mode. So the chicken has completed the pressure cook. Now I'm gonna just release the pressure by moving the vessel to the venting mode. Once you remove the vessel of the instant pot, now it's a time to add the rice. So we are gonna add the 3 cups of basmati rice which are soaked in water to the instant pot and spread over the chicken, and then add 3 cups of water into it. I have added the rice to the chicken, and I added the 2 cups of water as well. I spread the rice over the chicken. Now we are going to just pressure cook this instant pot for 8 minutes. Close the lid of the instant pot and move the vessel to the sealing mode, and turn on the pressure cook option and set the timer to 8 minutes. So the 8 minutes are done. Now we are going to just release the pressure and see how our biryani looks like. So we are finally done with our biryani. That's how it looks like. I added some coriander on top of it. Let me grab it into a plate and show you how the chicken looks like inside. Alright, that's how our chicken looks like inside the biryani. I hope you guys followed the video. Thank you for watching.